It's Jacob, Grounds and Sons Garage. We're out here. It's pretty snowy today, but we're gonna get you a video out. What we're basically gonna do today is kind of what I do for maintenance in my tools, and as we go through, we may end up kind of looking at tools and seeing what we got as far as some specialty stuff. Just kind of going over maintenance and how I take care of them. We'll see y'all. Alrighty. Okay, so one thing I want to mention is, see if I can find one. Where is it? I think. Maybe it's in here. There they are. One thing I want to talk about is these silica packets. You can get them in like most Vito bags, and Klein bags come with them if you're ordering them. And what they do is they suck up moisture. If you have an enclosed bag like this or like the TP Double XL, they just suck up moisture to keep moisture off your tools. A little bit of moisture that's going to suck in through these zippers and stuff. It's just going to help it. Moisture is what we're trying to prevent. You can get these on Amazon, pack of 100. I think you can get for like $6. I just keep the ones I get out of like bags and stuff, but I have purchased some. I'm wanting to say some of them you can take and put on like a baking sheet and bake it at a low temperature and cook all the moisture out of them and then reuse them. I don't know that, that's what I do. As far as prevention of moisture and things of that nature, I go right up over here where that can is right here. I usually keep this behind it. I like PB Blaster when it comes to rust prevention. Snowing outside. Get you some towels. And you're just gonna spray it down. Kind of work the gears, make sure that it gets all the way through. Everything's nice and smooth. As far as a screwdriver like this one, I want to take it, pop everything out, and then you're not going to stay clean. You're going to get it all over your fingers. So just keep that in mind the way you do it. If you do it the way I do it, you're gonna get everything nicely coated and protect. But you're gonna get it all over you. So I usually keep my Schrader valve out and a flathead. Get one nice wipe over. Have the screwdriver done. Then these linemen are pretty new, but we'll go ahead and spray them to prevent. May wipe down the handles just to keep them shiny and clean. That's pretty much what I do. Just as you're going, make sure everything's nice and smooth. I don't do stuff like this. Just, there's no reason. Kind of look at my pencils. It's got a good amount of lead in it. So that's good. Pretty much the same thing. There's only a very few things I don't do, like my hammer. I'm not gonna do anything like that with my hammer. It's just gonna be how it is. Really, I'm just gonna hit my like screwdrivers, pliers, adjustable wrenches. May do some oiling on my right angle deal in here and stuff, but other than that, I'm not going crazy. Just a little something to keep everything working. May take and shoot down in here, clean them up, make sure everything's clean, make sure your wheels are in good shape. Trying to think what else. The only thing I don't do is these insulated ones. I don't oil these very much. I may take and put some on the rag, and that's about all they get. What else? Kind of inspect your tape, see if you need level on it. This is also a good time to go through, and if you know there's something you're out of, you need to get, just one of them deals. So we're probably gonna put you on a time lapse and kind of get y'all through this and not bore you too much. Alrighty guys, so that's pretty much the basis of my tool maintenance. Is basically checking batteries and putting PB Blaster on stuff. Adding those silica packets really helps. Some other things you could do, if you have a respirator like this one, if it's time for you to change your respirator, to go ahead and change those filters. If you need more blades, need to write down what kind of blades you need, screwdrivers, things of that nature. If you need to change your vacuum pump oil, go ahead and change it. If you need more parts and pieces and stuff, go ahead and get those under a list, I guess. Front's locked. Get the keys. Checking batteries in your Klein Tools speaker. Going through your stuff, making sure there's nothing that needs to come out. Make sure all your gear's in there for the cold. But that's pretty much gonna do it for this video, guys. Hope y'all had a good one. It's cold in Arkansas for somebody who's not used to cold. We're getting a few calls, so everybody get ready for heat. And we're gonna see y'all in the next one. Y'all take care. Alrighty guys, so that's pretty much the basis. I'm gonna go through and do all the rest of this off camera because I think even that speed up session was still pretty time consuming. Here's one thing I did want to show. I saw this on a YouTuber and I really liked it. I've used it quite a few times. It's got 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16 and half. I could not find this set on Amazon. I could only find the metric. But there is other ones on Amazon. The only problem I have with them is that the color code that you get used to, Amazon, that one Amazon had did not have the right one. It was all messed up. Or either that or they were all the same color. So, Mega Pro, Mega Force Impact. I had to go to the actual website and get the one I wanted. So, trying to think of anything else. I can't think of anything, just like batteries and headlamps and things of that nature. Just checking batteries.